Get into a car with value. 2021 Dodge Charger. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.